In this video, we'll show you how to assemble and operate your Greenworks 24-volt 6-inch cordless battery brushless pruner saw. This video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions, including safety warnings, maintenance, and storage tips, refer to the manual. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Open the box and remove the contents. The pruner saw comes fully assembled with a carrying case. Inside, you'll find the pruner saw body, guide bar, chain, bar cover, oil bottle, and operator manual. If you purchased a complete kit, your unit includes a battery and charger. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have used the product and can confirm it works properly. Step 2. Tensioning the chain. Before each use, inspect the chain for proper tension. The chain should move smoothly by hand, but not sag from the guide bar. The clearance between the bar and the chain when pulled should be no more than a few millimeters. Loosen the side cover knob by lifting the handle and turning it counterclockwise. Turn the dial clockwise to tighten the chain tension and counterclockwise to loosen it. The chain should be snug but still move freely by hand. Once properly tensioned, fully tighten the side cover knob to secure everything in place. Be advised, new chains stretch. Be sure to check the tension often and adjust as needed. Step 3. Adding bar and chain oil. Your saw comes with a 50 ml bottle of oil. It's important to apply oil to the bar and chain prior to first use. Using the saw without sufficient chain oil will damage the bar and chain. A few drops along the top and bottom of the bar is all it needs. It's recommended to oil the bar every 5 to 10 cuts. Step 4. Charging the battery. Charge the battery before first use. Align the grooves and slide it into the charger. The indicator will flash while charging and turn solid when fully charged. Only charge indoors, away from direct heat or moisture. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge the battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 5. Inserting and removing the battery. Slide the battery into the housing until it clicks into place. After use, press the release button and slide the battery out. Step 6. Starting and stopping the saw. Safety first. Always wear gloves and eye protection when operating the saw. Do not use the saw around children or pets. Ensure your work area is clear and well lit. To start, press and hold the safety lockout button. Then press the trigger while holding the lockout button. Once the tool is started, release the lockout button. To stop, release the trigger. Cutting best practices. Hold the saw firmly with 2 hands. Always start the saw and allow it to get up to speed before attempting a cut. Keep the chain aligned with your cut and let the tool do the work. Do not force the saw. Let the chain speed cut through the material. Cut from the top of the branch and never operate above shoulder height. Storage tips. Clean the tool after each use. Wipe the bar and housing with a cloth. Store in a dry location, out of reach of children. Battery and charger care. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once the batteries are charged, unplug the charger. The batteries can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove them and store them separately. During the off-season, it's best to store the batteries fully charged. Keep the charger clean and clear of debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. Charge only at room temperature. Do not expose the charger or battery to moisture. Unplug the charger when not in use. For long-term storage, charge the battery to full before storing. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pruner saw will deliver powerful, precise cutting season after season. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.